Thanks everyone for coming to my presentation. My name is Huajiang. This is part of the assignment 2, section 2 for the course of MDA 513. Today, I will talk about engineering ethics education or teaching ethics in higher education institutions.
Engineering is everywhere and we are surrounded by it. Every day we drive in, on, or over it on our way to work. We use it for work, we wear it, we entertain ourselves with it, and we teach our next generation with it. With the technology development, engineering is also evolving dramatically. Therefore, ethical challenges faced by engineers and users which have never been experienced before emerge. With the new ethic challenge, ethic teaching also needs evolving to keep the pace up. I conducted a literature review within the past 3 years in ethic education in universities, and here is the results, including 2 journal papers and 2 conference papers. Publication 1 is a journal paper. This paper discusses the ethical issues that social work students will face when using the existing and emerging technology in social work practice and provides useful suggestions for field educators to prepare the students in 5 primary ethical issues in the usage of technology: client confidentiality, professional boundaries, interjurisdictional practice, client safety, and balancing freedom of speech and the impact of private conduct on professional practices. All these suggestions are very good to put ethics theories into practice, where social work students can feel supported and are able to learn from their mentors. The suggestions are not only useful for social work students, but also for all students in using of technologies for providing services to clients. Publication 2 is also a journal paper. Ethics are not only important to engineering students, but also to non-engineering students. The class is mixed with engineering students and non-engineering students from various disciplines, such as applied psychology, nursing, dental hygiene, medical imaging, business, and education. With a mixed class, it not only helps non-engineering students understand the engineering ethics, but also helps engineering students to explore the ethic issue in a different perspective and allow them to interact with students in other disciplines. This paper discusses the teaching methodology used in the class, small group discussions, narratives, and a suggestion box. The ethics topic discussed in the class including professionalism, whistleblowing, and the relationship between social responsibility and moral development. Teaching engineering ethics to non-engineering students also helps the lecturer to broaden the research area, which is a win-win situation for all the parties. Publication 3 is a conference paper. This paper is about an approach and a framework for teaching ethics to engineering and computer science students in university. This paper starts from a group of lecturers teaching ethics to engineering students in the university and realized a problem in the teaching. The course is elective and the format was simple and classic. The new courses were developed based on academic discussion about ethics, including a framework which is the backbone of the course. The framework is consisting of 4 stages: awareness, responsibility, critical thinking, and action. Awareness is the first step. Without awareness, nothing can be done. Responsibility includes both forward-looking and backward-looking. The third step is about finding the right action to take by critical thinking, and the fourth one is to take actions. This paper further discussed the framework is iterative, and reflection is a core component of each stage. The paper focused on providing the engineering and computer science students a weapon which can be used to tackle the ethical issues in real world. The 4-stage framework. With this knowledge, the students should be able to deal with ethical issues in the workplace in the near future. Publication 4 is also a conference paper. This paper focuses on a framework of ethics teaching in combination with character education. During teaching of ethics to to engineering students, the lecturers found there is a limited improvement in the students. With the problem in mind, they found engineering ethics has some shortfalls, no clear links between various ethics theories, heavily rely on compliance or rule following. Lessons mostly focus on extreme rare cases. By realizing these shortfalls of the ethics teaching, the lectures include character education into the ethics teaching, which offers a more comprehensive, holistic, and aspirational framework for engineering students. Character education focuses more on the ordinary and habitual actions, motivations, and virtues that play a role in everyday life and prepares the students for difficult situations. This way, the students knows how to deal with ethics issues in real work, and when facing the rare cases, they will apply ethics instantly. That's all. Here is the details of the reference. Thanks for coming to my presentation. Bye.